This is where we're staying in Southampton prior to our journey on Sky Princess. This is room 515 of the Premier Inn at West Quay. Show you around the room. There's a hanging space there, a hairdryer, a mirror, tea and coffee making facilities. There seems to be some sort of coffee machine there, which looks good. There's a nice television there.
If you'd like to go down a bit.
Oh, and a fridge. Honestly, yeah. Oh, 2 bottles of water.
And a mini fridge.
Mini fridge, oh, and an iron. Oh, and there was an ironing. There's an ironing board hidden away behind our coats there. Over here we have the bed. Tom's having a snooze. Either side of the bed there are plugs and USB sockets and the switches. We have a couple of chairs and a view out over a bit of grass out there and people milling around. Nice big room, lots of space.
And works of art from a talented art organisation of neurodiverse artists called Project Artworks.
What she said. And here we are at the bathroom. Oh, it's rather purple in here, strangely. Little purple lights in the ceiling. How odd. I wonder if we can change that. The loo, sink. We've got oud, cedar and amber hand wash. Oh, we've got a glass door to the shower. And one of those big rainfally shower things up there. Don't think I've missed anything. Towels around there. There's more USB sockets and things over this side under the television. That appears to be a HDMI socket to connect you to the TV screen if you've got a laptop with an HDMI thing. And more sockets. This would appear to be a what sort of room is it, Jill?
Premier Plus. Welcome to your Premier Plus room.
Premier Plus room. And with that we got 3 Wi-Fi codes to go with their ultimate Wi-Fi. Yeah, there's this lamp here as well. I'll see if I can get far enough away from it to see the whole. There we go. Very odd. Found that there's a white light switch for the bathroom as well as the purple one, which is just outside the door. See, there's the white. There's nothing at all. There's the purple, or you can have both on. Ooh. Thanks for watching. We'd be very grateful if you liked and subscribed.